Hello guys, welcome back to a very exciting vlog. For me anyways, this is a very exciting day. I got the keys to my apartment today. We're gonna start the moving process and I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour before all of the furniture starts getting delivered. So before I actually start moving in, I feel like everything's kind of working out at perfect timing because I'm getting my keys today, but I don't start moving until tomorrow and the rest of the weekend, because before I move in I wanted to do a little bit of a project. So shout out to Benjamin Moore because they are sponsoring this portion of this video. I'm going to be using the Benjamin Moore paint to do a little bit of a DIY project. So as you guys know, we are living in really strange times. We're all in quarantine right now because of the whole COVID-19 situation. And luckily I'm still able to do this little project that I wanted to do because of this app that I'm going to tell you guys about. So I downloaded the Color Portfolio app. If you're in the middle of moving, or if you want to do a little DIY project, if you need to do any kind of painting in your home right now, especially with all the time that we have on our hands, this is the perfect time to do a home project. I highly recommend that you guys check out the Color Portfolio app, because from the comfort of your home you're able to look through colors, get design inspo, check out all of the Benjamin Moore paint colors. You could even try on colors to see how they're gonna look in real time, like from the app, which is so cool and convenient because this is basically what we have to do during these crazy times. But I'm basically looking through all of the fan decks, which is really cool. You know how you go to the store and you look through all of the fan decks with all the different paint colors? You literally can do that on the app, and I cannot believe how easy and kind of fun it is. Alright, so I'm going into the Color Portfolio app right now, and it's so cool, you guys, because you can go through all of the Benjamin Moore paint collections. I personally like the Benjamin Moore classic colors, so that was the one that I was focused on, but there's so many to choose from. Look at all of the color options. I don't think I ever need to go to the store to look at colors again because this is just so cool. You can add the colors that you love so that you can go back to them later and kind of compare the colors that you chose. So I really love like these muted kind of colors. So I clicked on Mauve Mist and then I can just heart it and it'll add it to my favorites. Let's see what else. Oh, I like this color too. 1280 Burgundy Rose. I'm gonna add that to my favorites. And then once you have your favorites picked out, do you see like my color palette? So in my place, I want to do kind of muted, earthy kind of colors. Even if I go with a pink, I want it to be a more like earthy, muted pink, like I said. As you can see from all of my favorites, the color palette is kind of like in the same kind of family. I have this mirror at home that is more of like a dark gray silver kind of vibe, and I want to paint the outer part, like the frame part of the mirror, to one of these colors that I pick, so that I can go more of the vibe that I'm going for, especially my living room, because I think I want to prop that mirror on the floor in the living room and then kind of have like other decorative pieces around there. So I'm gonna pick out a color. We're gonna paint that mirror today in this vlog and we're gonna see how it comes out. I'm really excited. So I'm actually gonna pick the color out and then I will be able to order it and pick it up curbside from the store closest to me, which is so convenient and perfect for how things are going right now. Life in quarantine. I'm being all loud in person. I just realized that people are like standing out here and I'm like, life in quarantine. Anyways, I'm waiting because they do curbside pickup, so you call them and they bring your order out to you. So they're gonna bring my order out to me. My paint's coming. Oh great, my battery's gonna die. Hi. Thank you. You know what, I'm gonna put the paint in my trunk because alright, I changed my clothes because I don't want to dirty the other set that I had on. I have everything I need. I have my paint. I'm gonna set everything up downstairs and we're gonna start painting this mirror. All right, you guys, I have the mirror down here in the basement. I got my outfit change. I'm about to start painting. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess because I don't want my mom to kill me. Two colors that I picked up. This more pink one is called Palermo Rose. This more like peachy pink is called Palermo Pink. And I got two because I want to paint more than just the mirrored frame. I want to, whatever other decorative pieces I pick, I'm gonna go with this color for that, but for the mirror, I'm gonna go with this one. I just swatched them here just to see how they look, and I love how they coexist. So whatever I end up putting with this mirror, it's gonna look so pretty with that. By the way, don't forget to check the description box. I'm gonna be linking the website that I was using to get inspo. I used the Benjamin Moore website to get some more inspiration, some painting tips, because this was my very first time painting anything. And on that website, you can get tips like that. You can get DIY home project inspiration and just learn more about the Benjamin Moore paint, which by the way, I loved. It is so luxurious and was so easy to work with. And I did let the paint dry overnight, and in the morning, I did one more coat of paint. You guys, I brought the mirror over to my new place, which you guys will see after this clip. I'm just taking the paint, the blue tape off, and then I'll show you guys how it turned out. Ooh, beautiful the mirror turned out. I'm obsessed with the color. It's exactly what I wanted. It's gonna look so beautiful once I start getting my furniture in here. Guys, I am in my new apartment. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I'm like in shock right now. I knew this day was coming. I was totally fine leading up to it. And then last night, I just started getting so nervous and anxious, but we're here. I'm excited. I literally just got the keys. The place is completely empty. So I'm gonna take advantage of that and do a little empty apartment tour for you, because tomorrow my furniture is supposed to be delivered, and then I'm gonna start bringing my stuff from storage, and it's gonna be just very crazy this weekend. So I'm gonna do the apartment tour right now while we have time and show you guys my new place. I got a 1-bedroom because it's only me. I feel like I didn't need much more space other than that, but I love it. I feel like it's a perfect space for me, and I'm gonna start showing you. All right, when you walk in, you have the living room. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put what, but I think I'm gonna put the television here. I think I kind of have to. That's the cord for the TV. On this side is, I actually have like a really good lighting, but I don't want to point the camera that way because you can't see the outside. But yeah, really great lighting for all of the selfies that I'm gonna be taking right here. I want to put the couch here or here. I kind of like it facing the, oh, somebody's calling me. Sorry, I had to get that call and I kind of lost track of what I was saying. But yeah, I'm trying to decide where I want to put the couch because I like it facing the television, but I don't want to put it in front of the window. I kind of wanted to put it here. We'll play around with it and figure out what looks best. But then when you leave the living room, we have this little space here. I want to put some kind of like little dining table, obviously not too big because it's just, I feel like I don't have that much space, but something there. The kitchen, you guys, is super, super small. Turn the light on. Yeah, the kitchen is super small. I'm so happy that I have a dishwasher because I hate doing dishes. I mean, I do the dishes, but it's nice to have a dishwasher option. I literally have no counter space, you know, for all the cooking that I be doing. Listen, I know I'm gonna get annoyed with the kitchen space, but whatever, we're gonna have to do what we have to do. And we have this closet right here, which is super spacious. Is there a light in here? No, there's no lighting here. But this is gonna be really great for me to put, oh, come on, focus. This is gonna be really great for me to put any equipment, like my ring light and anything kind of tall or bulky. I can hang up, I don't know what there, maybe coats. But yeah, I can put like equipment there or anything that's just gonna take up space. Then we have another little closet here, but this one is, what do you call this? Like pantry style? I don't really know, you guys, but again, a lot more space to put stuff. I'll probably put, I don't know, like toiletry, towels, maybe cleaning supplies, random stuff there. We shall see. I actually had a closet like this back in Maryland, and I used to put kind of like the miscellaneous stuff like towels, pillows, extras, things like that. And then we have my bedroom, and I feel like my bedroom is actually really spacious, which is great because this is probably where I'm gonna be filming maybe makeup videos, because I'm gonna set up my vanity here. Ooh, do you hear that echo? I can't wait to start getting my furniture in here so that you don't hear my echo. But anyways, I'm gonna put the bed over here, like facing this way, because this little nook here, I love this little nook because I'm actually gonna put my vanity desk here and my vanity mirror, and that way the background would be my bedroom here. We have great lighting coming in through here, and then we have 2 closets. Thank you for giving me 2 closets. Maybe this apartment was designed for 2 people. Like, I guess like if you live with your partner, it would be nice to have the 2 separate closets, but both closets are, oh my God, both closets are mine. Wait, I just realized that I don't have to share anything with anyone. That's so cool. The last thing I want to show, oh, that echo is killing me. Hold on, we gotta close this door. That echo is killing me. The last thing I want to show you guys is the bathroom. The bathroom is probably my favorite because they just did such a pretty job with it. Everything is like really light gray and brand new. I gotta change those bulbs. I hate yellow lighting. Look at this. You guys know I hate yellow lighting, so I wonder what kind of bulbs. How do you even change that? Anyways, I need to get white, like the white LED bulbs. But yeah. The bathroom is really beautiful. I love how it looks. It's so funny because I've been looking forward to moving into my own place for such a long time, and now that it's here, I'm like, oh, I want to live with my parents forever. But to be honest, they're so close. They're like 5 minutes away from me. Ayla lives super close to me. You guys know we are inseparable, even though this quarantine has not let us be together. Oh, this echo is killing me, you guys. Now, you guys, we have to sage this place. So I brought my sage with me because, girl, listen. We gotta cleanse this new space. We need positive energy. I wanna get rid of all of the negativity, anything that does not serve me. I want it out of this place. We're gonna sage, and ooh, the sage smells so good. You know, this is a complete fresh start for me. I'm in this new chapter of my life. I'm gonna be living alone for the first time, and I just want this experience to be the best and most positive ever. If you guys want, I'll cleanse you too. All right, guys, I'm clearing your energy right now. Also, if you want some negative energy to leave your space, honey, you are cleared. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Don't forget to check the description box. I'm gonna link everything that you might have questions about. Don't forget to also check the link for all of the DIY projects that you can do at home, especially during these times. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so grateful that you guys are coming along on this journey with me. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.